Hello Cotton Green Mumbai, Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Cotton Green Mumbai based Marathi families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau cum Marathi wedding planners in Cotton Green Mumbai. A marriage bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows, physically disabled females as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families, passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Cotton Green, Mumbai. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. The Mumbai Ports Trust revised plan for development of the eastern waterfront looks at major transformation of only one area, that is Cotton Green. Cotton Green is a suburb of Mumbai and a noted residential and commercial area east of Parel in central Mumbai, 8 km north of Colaba. It is also the name of a railway station on the Mumbai Suburban Railway which lies along the Harbour Line, which is a part of the Central Railway. The station is named Cotton Green after an Art Deco building of the Cotton Exchange and the series of warehouses. The older Cotton Green in Colaba was thus named because it was in a village green and housed the original Cotton Exchange. The Cotton Exchange building was built in 1924 and used for cotton in trading until the 1945. The building originally was in a minty green color. Today it stands tall in beige and brown around the edges and has been fully restored to its former glory. The building is a stunning example of engineering and has not needed any maintenance except replacement of glass windows which are shattered by cricket balls as children play cricket on roads around the building. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Cotton Green, Mumbai, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Cotton Green, Mumbai. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in Cotton Green, Mumbai has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus or Marathi marriage consultancy in Cotton Green, Mumbai. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in Cotton Green, Mumbai which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in Cotton Green, Mumbai for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Cotton Green, Mumbai, but the marriage bureau in Cotton Green, Mumbai who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Cotton Green, Mumbai. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Cotton Green, Mumbai. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in Cotton Green, Mumbai. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Cotton Green, Mumbai to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connection between great people and families in Cotton Green, Mumbai. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Cotton Green, Mumbai. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Cotton Green, Mumbai. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee, our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Marathi database of profiles in Cotton Green, Mumbai, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Cotton Green, Mumbai. Number 3. Our Marathi personalized matchmaking service in Cotton Green, Mumbai, fee range is starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. But Dharma Vedic matchmaking services is 100% free for widows, physically disabled females, as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding menu and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Cotton Green, Mumbai. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in Cotton Green, Mumbai. At the same time, if you know someone who is widow or physically disabled female or economically weak family who is struggling to find best groom for their daughters and sisters, please inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them and they can call us on 8828952895. Again, I'm repeating the number 8828952895. They can call me anytime they wish for. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned and stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.